Yeah, welcome to Golden Head Innovates. This is our project at Brikama Jalamban. This is a 6-bedroom duplex. Yeah, this is the living room. Yeah, from the living room. Then we have the dining. Then we have the kitchen. Yeah. Then you have a store and an exit. From the kitchen to the dining, you have an arch that will lead you to the bedrooms. This is a bedroom, as you can see. Simple. This is another bedroom. As you can see. Then we have the stair hall here, the staircase. Everything neatly done. From here, we have another bedroom. Let's take a walk to the staircase and see what we have upstairs. As you can see, the stair hall, the wall, everything is beautifully tiled to avoid stains of hands, especially kids. As you can see, we step to the first floor. We have here a family lounge. As you can see, very well nice and spacious. So you can see. Then we have here a balcony, the front balcony. This is it. Beautifully done. This is a bedroom, as you can see. A toilet here. This here is an office for the house owner. As we walk through, this is another bedroom. As you can see, everything beautifully done. You have a balcony here, as you can see. There is the toilet to this bedroom. As we come, we have here and also another bedroom. All in all, making it 6 bedroom, 5 master bedroom and 1 share. Here is a balcony as well. Everything beautifully done by Golden Head Innovates. As you can see. Beautiful, beautiful. We are right now doing the painting.